What is AI? The future of artificial intelligence explained. Artificial intelligence is everywhere. From self-driving cars to smart assistants, AI is changing the world faster than ever. But how does it actually work? And where is it taking us in the future? Let's break it down, step by step. Show subscribe button and ActionX AI logo. Welcome to ActionX AI, your ultimate source for the latest in AI and futuristic technology. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. What is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, is the ability of machines to think, learn, and make decisions, just like humans. Instead of simply following preset instructions, AI can analyze data, adapt, and even improve itself over time. Think about your voice assistant. When you ask Siri or Google something, they don't just answer, they learn from past interactions to improve responses over time. Part 2. How does AI work? AI learns using data, tons of it. The more data AI gets, the smarter it becomes. But how does it actually learn? Well, there are two main techniques, machine learning and deep learning. 1. Machine learning, ML, learning from data. Machine learning is when AI learns from past experiences. Just like how we learn from practice, AI improves over time by spotting patterns in data. For example, your email spam filter learns which emails are junk and stops them before they reach your inbox. 2. Deep learning, AI that thinks like a human brain. Deep learning is even smarter. It uses artificial neural networks, just like the human brain, to recognize complex patterns. That's how your phone knows your face when you unlock it. Part 3. The different types of AI. Not all AI is the same. There are 3 main types, each with different levels of intelligence. 1. Narrow AI, weak AI, AI for specific tasks. Narrow AI is the most common today. It's built for specific tasks, like recommending YouTube videos or controlling a smart home. 2. General AI, strong AI, AI that thinks like a human. General AI would be as smart as a human. It could think, learn, and make decisions on its own. But we're not there yet. 3. Super AI, AI beyond human intelligence. Super AI would be smarter than humans in every way. But is that a good thing? Some experts warn that AI this powerful could be dangerous. Part 4. Where AI is used today. AI is already shaping our world. Here are just a few ways it's used today. AI in smartphones, smart cameras, voice assistants, predictive text. AI in healthcare, detecting diseases, robotic surgeries. AI in business and finance, fraud detection, AI customer service. AI in automation and robotics, self-driving cars, AI-powered factories. AI in space exploration. NASA using AI to explore other planets. Part 5. The future of AI. What's next? AI is evolving fast. Here's what we might see in the next few years. Quantum AI, super powerful AI that can solve impossible problems. AI in smart cities, AI controlling traffic, reducing pollution. AI in daily life, smarter virtual assistants, real-time translators. Brain-computer interfaces, AI, that connects directly to the human brain. Imagine controlling a computer just by thinking. This isn't science fiction. AI is making it a reality. Part 6. Will AI replace humans? Show dramatic visuals of robots versus humans in a futuristic world. Many people fear AI will replace human jobs, but the truth is, AI is a tool, not a replacement. Yes, AI will automate repetitive tasks, but it will also create new jobs. The key is for humans and AI to work together. Instead of replacing us, AI will enhance our abilities, helping